to my kitchen. We moved, so it's a lot bigger. I am going to update a recipe today. Since the black beans in the crock pot has done so well, I wanted to update it because I have got an InstaPot now. So I want to make my black beans in the InstaPot. I'm going to make a whole pound, and I'm kind of using the same recipe but updating with what I have. So come on and join me, and if you don't mind, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you see if I cook any more from this kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to get started. These are my ingredients. I have a pound of black beans. I'm going to rinse them. I have a Samuel Adams Boston Lager. I normally add red wine, but this is what I have on hand, and it'll add just enough flavor. White pepper, some cumin, gotta have oregano, and garlic, and salt. So this is all I'm going to add. First and foremost, I need to rinse my beans. I love having mason jars around. So I'm going to give it a rinse. And while I'm rinsing, I'm also searching for rocks. And there are none in here, so I'm going to just carry it over to my InstaPot. Okay, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and open the logger. I'm going to open the logger. There you go, I just added the logger. So now I'm going to add salt because I want it to be super, super flavorful. And I'm just using some Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to add all my cumin because I'm about out. So in goes cumin. Lots of oregano. And lots of garlic. Just want this to have so much flavor. Grab a spoon. And now I'm going to add my pepper. I'm going to add 2 things of pepper, and then I'm going to fill my mason jar up with water and fill it up till it is, I want to say like halfway full. I like my beans very juicy. Okay, there it goes. And I'm going to go 1 more 4 cups. I think that's enough water. I just want to make sure that it has plenty of juice so it soaks it all in. And there's a way that I'll show you that you can also make it a whole lot thicker, because Cuban beans are normally really thick. Right now I think I added a little bit of juice, too much juice, but we'll go from there. Now it's just in there, so I'm going to go ahead and put my lid on. Okay. And I'm going to zoom so y'all see exactly what I am, hold up, there we go, so it's on off. I am going to do beans, it says 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and put mine on 30, and I'm going to see how it looks. There we go, put mine on 30. And then I'm going to hit start. And I will come back after the 30 minutes. Okay guys, it is done. Let's open it and see what it looks like. Woo! All that steam got in my eye there. Love that little hack. So as you could see, it's just boiling away. I'm going to check the beans and see if I need to put it in for longer. They still feel a little hard to me. Sometimes you can hear it, but we aren't smashing very easily either. So I'm going to put it in for another 30 minutes, and then I'm going to taste them after it's done. So that was 30 minutes on high. Now we're going to do another 30 minutes on high as well. Oh yeah, after an hour, look at these beans. They're perfectly done. I'm going to let them cool off. And I like mine extra juicy, but I'm going to smash a couple beans and make it a little bit thicker as I'm doing that right now. And it's still going to sit. I have to go run some errands now. But yeah, after an hour compared to like, how many hours was my last video? It had to be like 4 or 5. But yeah, I am in love with the InstaPot, and this is why. But if you like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button. We would greatly appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Hey y'all, I hope you liked this updated recipe. Please give me a comment on something I could do better, something I could add. What are your thoughts about it? And thank you so much for watching, and there will be more cooking videos coming your way.